Hey guys, it's Peggy here with Frankly Realtors, and I am here to give you guys a tour of my latest listing at 9511 Farmview Court in Fairfax. This is a virtual tour, so we've just done a Matterport 3D tour of this place, and I'm going to walk through it with you, and I'm also going to post the link to the actual tour so you guys can walk around yourself as well. If you are interested in the property and want to make an offer or want to actually see it in person or do a live virtual showing with one of our showing agents, feel free to reach out to me and we can get you all set up. So let's take a tour. So this first part is actually the outside of the property. It's a split level. It's a 5-bed, 2.5-bath place. And one of the cool things about this is you can kind of look around here. It's on a cul-de-sac, so it's nice and private, really nice. You've got the driveway, right here, and then got steps up to the property. So you can kind of take a look around there. That's the front of the house. And then let's walk inside. So let's take a look inside. So once you come here, it's a split foyer, so you have a choice to go downstairs to the basement or upstairs to the main level. So let's go up. And once we're up over here, you can see there's a very nice large open living room along with a wood burning fireplace. One of the things I really like about this place, it is very bright. You've got a dining room, and then this kitchen has actually been renovated. So you've got a little counter here, as well as stainless steel appliances here, nice cabinets and granite counters. And then if we kind of take a look out here, you can see there's sliding glass doors into a really nice deck that actually goes, that walks down out to the backyard. The backyard is fully fenced as well. So here's a little bit closer look at the kitchen there. And then you've got really nice hardwood floors all throughout this main level. Okay, so let's go take a look at the bedrooms over here. So you've got the hallway, you have 3 bedrooms here, and then we've got 1 bathroom here that this has been renovated. So here's the entrance from the hallway, and then there's also another entrance here from the master bedroom. So you can see here's the master bedroom, and you've got the closet there as well. It's actually a really big closet for this master bedroom. Again, all really nice hardwood floors. The house has just been freshly painted as well. So you've got another bedroom here with the closet. And then let's kind of come out this way, go back around here. And then we've got the second bedroom here with the closet. So, and then the bathroom, again, renovated, updated. You can see a nice vanity here as well. Okay, let's go out, and then we can continue to go down the stairs and we can check out the basement. So here's a little view of the front door and the landing area here, and then we'll come down and come into the basement. So this is a really nice family room. Again, you've got a second fireplace here. This is really expansive. You can, very open, and it's got also some really nice built-in shelving here as well. So I'm kind of come over here and take a look here. You've got the built-in shelving and a second fireplace down here. So, and this is all brand new carpet as well. Okay, so let's take a look here. So what's really unique about this split foyer is you've got another half bathroom right here. So you've got kind of more of a public half bathroom here. And this 4th bedroom here actually has, closet and its own private full bathroom in here as well. So you've got, a shower right here too. So great in-law suite for guests or anything like that. If they've got their own private full bath down here. And then you've got that half bath here for any guests that just come over. Now, when we look into here, you've got a laundry room here, as well as another door that walks up into the backyard. So there is, you know, an access here from the basement. So you've got that. You've got the laundry room that's pretty big, and you've got this bonus 5th bedroom that is very large. Definitely can use it as a bedroom or even an office. We've got a lot of the built-in shelving right here as well, so it would make a great office or, you know, a 5th bedroom. But it's fully finished. Got the windows here bringing in a lot of light as well. So that's the house. This is a great location, again, in Fairfax. The schools are Olde Creek, Frost, and Woodson High School. And actually, they're all very close, within walking distance to all of those, in addition to, you know, just Little River Turnpike and all of the major, you know, shopping and restaurants and stuff like that. Let me end this here while showing you the backyard as well. So it's a really large backyard, again, on a cul-de-sac. So here we're out on the deck, and you can see it's fully fenced. It's got a shed in the back, and it's pretty flat. So it's great for, you know, just hanging out outdoors. You know, you've got it right off of the kitchen again. So that's basically the property. If you guys have any questions about this place, feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I would love to help you out with it. Thanks.